Hey guys, it's Brian here again with another box fan video. This is a Penncrest 100 box fan sold by JCPenney, and I believe this to be a late 60s, early 70s model. Might be more like mid 60s, I'm not sure, but it's got a plastic front grille with the Penncrest badge here, Penncrest 100. I'm thinking this is a more basic box fan. It's got metal blades. Grill's in really good shape other than it being dirty, which I will soon fix, but there's no cracks, there's no slats missing, none of that. It's a 3-speed fan. It's got the original handle in good shape. Top of the box needs to be cleaned. Has a little bit of patina, no big deal. Easy fix. Has the original cord on it. In good shape. No frays, no splits, nothing. And the odd thing about this one, plus the fact that it's relatively heavy, is it has a metal back grill that has those tension springs that hold it on, although that makes it easier to clean. And actually the box itself is in really good shape. It's not rusty at all. And the model number of this fan is, I'm going to read this backwards, model number 9711, manufactured by JCPenney Company. It's a 2.8 amp motor made in New York City. That's pretty cool. It's got a pretty beefy motor on it too. A lot beefier than that reversible Penncrest that I got. Surprisingly, this thing actually winds up putting out more air than that one. God, this thing's heavy. It's hard to do this with one hand. I'm gonna try to free the cord. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Starting on high. And honestly, this thing, I honestly have to say, this is one of the more powerful box fans I've ever seen. It's just kicking out air. A lot of air. A lot more than the Eskimo, a lot more than a Lakewood. I mean, this thing is pretty powerful. Medium. Medium's like a low on a 2-speed fan. Very quiet though. And low. And low is surprisingly quiet too. It's pretty slow, but it's still kicking out a good amount of air. Do the spin down. I picked this up in a deal with two other fans off of an offer up listing, and this guy had these other 2 fans in a shed along with this one. Gave me a hell of a deal on all 3 of them. Couldn't pass it up. I'm glad I didn't either, because I really like this fan. I definitely plan to keep this one. And I didn't even have to oil it either. I'll put some oil in it just so, you know, preserve the bearings a little bit. So anyway, that's my Penncrest 100 box fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.